Hey, what's going on? Nick Tsai here. So in this video, I want to talk about how you can have your dental website set and done in few minutes using a really powerful software called Clickfunnels. And also, I'm going to share with you my templates so that you can just import the entire template and customize for your own clinic. So at this page, I list out all the tools you need in order to get your website down. And don't worry, I will put all the link below this video. So you can check the button below this video or the link below this video for those resources. But if you don't see any link, don't worry, you can just type in here, right? So the first thing you need is a ClickFunnels account. So the template itself is free, but you still need the hosting. So the hosting we're using is called ClickFunnels. And that's a really powerful website builder. And you can use that to expand your website later. And so you can go to getcfreetrial.com to sign up for ClickFunnels. Then you also need to download our template. And also you want to generate a Google map for your website. And also you need a logo. So you can check dentalSEOexpert.com/templates/map/logo for all the resources. And also you can check a link below for all the resources as well. So after you get your ClickFunnels account ready, the first thing you need is you need to get the template first, right? So you're going to copy this URL. So you can check a link below to import the entire templates directly. So I just want to show you, if you copy this URL and type in your browser, you will be directed to this page to get your templates, right? So all you need to do is you click on Add Funnel. So it will get imported into your ClickFunnels account. So inside ClickFunnels, each web page is called a funnel. So that's the reason why it's called a funnel, right? So, but it's all the same basically because they are implementing what we call a sales funnel in their product. So, but don't worry, we're just using the templates. So after it get imported, we're going to view funnel. Right, so right now you can see 3 pages here, right? So the first page we want to add it is our dental homepage. And also you can check a link below for more resource, right? So the first one is we want to go to our dental homepage. So we click on Added Page. So right now we're inside ClickFunnels, right? Right now we can design and customize our own page. So as you can see, you can click on the elements here and you can just go and change the setting, right? So as you can see, you can change the font size, you can change the color, and also you can move your mouse to the content and you can type in anything you want, right? Right, so you can change the text here, and also you can change the image. So you can go here and you can change the image to whatever you like. So this one will be our logo, right? And also you can change our location. You can add your own address here, right? So the first thing we want to change is our logo, right? Because our logo is one of the most important thing. So you can go to here and go to copy our logo, add the address, and to get our template. So if you copy here, you will see a template like this. So you can say use template, right? So you can just do the same. You can right, so you can use this template. Then you can click on download. Then we want to choose transparent background. Then we want to click on download. So right now we got that a logo ready. Then we want to go back to our template. Then we want to select our website logo. Then we want to upload a new logo here. So right now we get our logo ready. So if you don't like this logo, you can just customize that, or you can hire a professional designer for you to get your logo, right? So so we can look for other logos and we want to replace that with our own logo. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to change the address and also the phone number and the email address to your own. And also you want to change the name of your clinic, right? So I already make it bold for you. So for example, here, you can just add your own address, right? So you can just type in your address here and you can you can change the color to black, right? And also here is your phone number. So you can type in your phone number, and here is your email address. So you can change it to your email address here, right? And also here, so I try to make it obvious. So you can just go here to change all the things like your phone number, And also you want to change this to your city. So maybe you are in New York, so you can say New NYC, things like that. And also you can change to your clinic's name. Right, so also here you can change to your name, change it to your name. You just stack element and change to your name. Things like that. So there are things to be changed. Then also you want to change the image to your own, right? So this will be your professional image. And also those will be the information of your staff, your employees. And also you want to change the testimonial to your own patient's testimonial, right? So you can just go to here and change the picture. Then you can add it. You can change the name. You can change the text here. Then the next thing you want is you want to change the map here. So as we can see here, there's actually a Google map, right? So how do we do that? So we want to use another link, that is the Google Map generator. So you can go to dentalsdlexpert.com/map and to generate the map for you. Right, so right now all you need to do is to type in the address. Right, then you can get a map code. Then you just copy this code. And you go back to here. So as you can see, here is a place called custom JavaScript and HTML. You go to Open Code Editor. Then you want to replace this entire area with the new one. Then you click on Save. Then you can see the map is showing on your place, right? And also another thing we want to change is our pop-up, right? So this one, we also got your information. So the pop-up is that when people click on the button on this page, they will show up to your audience. So make sure you change the information here as well. So they will show your information, like your address, your phone number, your email. So you want to click on the pop-up and you say, you click on show pop-up, then you can change the address here. And you can change it to your phone number. Right, and you can change your email. So that's how you added the basic information on this page. But what if you want more information on the page? You can easily click, you can easily move to any area and you can click on add new element. So you will see a plus sign here, right? And you can see there's so many things you can add. You can add a new image, you just drag and drop here. Or you can add a new, maybe headline. Wait a minute. A new headline. And also you can add videos, right? And also you can delete them. So you can delete those elements as well. So like for example, if there's any service that you don't offer, maybe you don't offer this one, or maybe you don't offer this one, you can just delete the element from the page. So that's how you can edit the template. And also you can rewrite the entire description. You can add more detail to that, or you can rewrite in your own word. And after you design this page, you also want to turn to the mobile format. So you will notice that there are actually two different versions on this page because we want to make our page mobile friendly. So there will be one page for desktop, and there's also be another page for mobile. So you want to go to your mobile version and you want to do all the things again, right? So you want to make sure that the information are all correct on both mobile and desktop. So that's basically how you can set up and customize your dental website using Clickfunnels and our dental website templates. I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any questions, just let me know. I hope you enjoyed that. I will see you soon in the next video.